All right, here's an early 1800s pair of flintlock dueling pistols. A nice pair. They're marked W. Ketland, Ketland, W. Ketland and Company. Let's see if we can take a, they're in the original presentation case. Right there, early walnut case. I will see if I can try not to fumble around here too much, but I'll give us a good look there. Nice functioning actions. Can you imagine dueling, standing in the line of fire, having a duel with something like this? Anyway, the nice original fitted case here. We'll take a look at the other one. Yeah. Tight functioning actions. What a great early example. Okay, guys, help yourself there. So if you're having trouble with your neighbors and you want to challenge them to a duel, this is the only way to go. Good luck.